Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair this Redmi Buds Free Lite with your PC or any other Windows laptop. Okay, so first of all we have to simply open this charging case and then remove both earbuds from this case. And as you can see we can find these two indicators. As you can see right now, they are blinking together. And it means that right now they are in the pairing mode. So basically when you take them out of this charging case, when they are fully charged, they will start blinking like that. We have to put them close to our laptop, and then on our device we have to simply go to the Windows, then the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices. You can find it on the left side. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and then click to add device. Select Bluetooth and click right here to select JBL Reflect Flow. Oh, I mean, no, it's not about the JBL Reflect Flow. I was about to say Redmi Buds Free Lite. So just close this window in my case. Let's open it one more time. I'm gonna check if the earbuds are still blinking. Yeah, so they are still in the pairing mode. Right now just wait until they pop on the list. You can also scroll down, and as you can see in my case there's a lot of devices around me, but at the bottom I can find my Redmi Buds Free Lite and I can just select them from the list. Right now I'm connected and I have to go for the system also, go for the sound, and I have to check if they are automatically switched with the microphone. As you can see, I have to make it manually. So right now when you are using your oh no, I have to go for the sound one more time. Let's go back and tap on the Redmi Buds Free Lite. And as you can see right now, when you are going to use our buds, we can use built-in microphone and also our buds. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.